All right, today, guys, pretty simple front-end suspension component repair. We've got this 2004 Cavalier. Here's the sway bar, and what we've got is this this link assembly has broken due to corrosion. So top half of it is broken off, and the bottom half is just held onto the control arm. We're going to remove what's left of it and replace it with a genuine GM replacement part. So it's a 13 millimeter on the original GM size, and we might have to get a pair of channel locks or something to grab onto this guy so that we can turn him out, so we can remove what's left of what's holding on here. It's a pretty common thing to happen. After a while, just the corrosion gets to these things and just tears them up. Hardest part is just getting it disassembled. So you have to work with it for a while, and it's slowly going to come out. Once we can thread this bolt out, we'll be able to get what's left of this old one off. So I'm going to pause it here while I get this going. We'll come back when we get it further along. All right, we got this bottom bushing from the upper sway bar out. The rest of this guy, I'm hoping that we can just punch out of this rusty bolt. Whoops, sorry about that with the light, guys. I don't know if he's going to stay up there or not. Probably not, but what you're going to have to do is punch this guy through until you can get this top piece to work loose, and then you should be able to separate the rest of it. All right, we are almost to the end here. Just going to get something like this screwdriver to use like a crow piece so I can get this last piece of this old bushing off. And now we've removed this old corroded assembly. Okay, now we're going to put a new one in here, and we're going to be using a GM 227-10259. Basically, the way this guy goes is we've got this top piece and a bushing that's going to sandwich the actual sway bar. You got this spacer and a bushing. These guys are going to sandwich the control arm, and this guy's going to sit in between all of it. So we're going to come in underneath with this. And we're going to cut this guy here. Actually, I'm going to need one more tool, guys. Sorry about that. I need a crowbar to lift this sway bar up a bit. Let me go get that. All right, guys, sorry about that. It just took me a moment to orient myself. I'm going to come in from this angle here with this crowbar. And you can see on this bushing, it's got like a large raised area. That's the part that's going to go insert into the sway bar. The flat piece is going to go against the spacer. Now if we can get this bolt up in this position to thread up. And then we just tighten this guy down and torque him. It's a pretty simple repair. As you can see, the hardest part was just getting the old one out. So I'll roll the torque value at the bottom, torque that guy up, and we're ready to put the wheel back on. And just in case you're wondering, I did take the wheel and jack it up on the other side to make it a little bit easier to do that manipulation of the sway bar that you saw me do. I hope this helps you out. If you got questions, leave a comment and I'll try to help you. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.